If a surprise $500 expense would wreck your month, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you exactly how to build your first emergency fund, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. An emergency fund isn't about being paranoid. It's about not going into debt every time your car breaks down or you lose a shift at work. Without one, every emergency becomes a credit card balance. With one, it becomes an inconvenience, not a crisis. Step 1. Pick your starter goal. Don't aim for 6 months of expenses right away. That's overwhelming and you'll quit. Start with $500 to $1,000. That covers most small emergencies. A car repair, a vet bill, a broken phone. Step 2. Open a separate savings account. Not your checking account. A separate one, ideally a high-yield savings account so it earns a little interest. The separation matters because if it's sitting next to your spending money, you'll spend it. Step 3. Automate a fixed amount every payday. Even $25 or $50. Set it up once so it moves automatically. You're not relying on willpower or remembering. Consistency beats big deposits. Step 4. Redirect windfalls. Tax refund, birthday money, a bonus. Before you spend it, send half of it straight to this fund. It'll get you there faster without touching your regular budget. Once you hit your starter goal, you can grow it toward 3 to 6 months of expenses over time. But that first $500 to $1,000 is what actually changes how emergencies feel. If this helped, subscribe. I'm posting practical money videos like this every week. See you in the next one.